Hello, welcome to Sam's Tutorials. Right, so for the first video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to change a latch on an internal door. I will talk through the video to show what's and nots, okay, do's and nots. The tools you need for changing an internal door, obviously it's a new latch, which when you take your old latch out, so you take the handles off, unscrew the handles, unscrew the two screws for the latch, and then compare it to a new one at your local store like B&Q, Screwfix, or any sort of building merchants should do it. And then you will need a small chisel. Sharp chisel would be more better, because you don't want to cause any sort of external damage. So sharper the better, and a hammer. So firstly, the latch that I had for mine was just a couple mil bigger than the old one, so I've had to chisel out just the size of the hole where your latch is going in, and then the top and the bottom of the hole. So ever so slightly, mil by mil, and keep testing it. As you're chiseling your hole, make it a little bit bigger, you just want to get all the debris thing, all the wood you've chipped off out, so it's not stuck at the back, and when you put your new latch in, it's not going to get jammed in there by all the little bits of wood you've sort of ripped out. just be careful you don't chisel off too much from the sides of the hole, as if you chip off too much and then you end up, you know, getting all the little bit of woods out, you could cause damage to the external sides of your door. When there's plenty of room for your new latch to go in the hole, you just want to make sure the way it goes in, so the bit on the end of the latch, you know, goes in and out, just closes your door and opens your door. The curved part is going in towards the door frame, so then it opens and closes properly. Now you want to grab a sharp pencil. And when you're putting your latch in, so you want to mark the sides of it, the sides of your latch when it's put up against your door, so then you can like score it with your pencil, and then you lightly with your chisel, or you can do it with a really sharp Stanley knife, you score the sides of the hole where the plate's going to sit on. So your plate sits flush into your door, which I'll show you now. New latch fits in the hole properly, it's nice and flush on the end of the door, like your plate I mean. You want to grab an impact driver or a drill, or you can do it with a screwdriver, either a Phillips or a Posi screwdriver, PH2, whatever sort of the screw you've got size for it. And if you put enough force into your screwdriver with the screw, you should be able to screw your screw in. And then you want to grab your other handle with the spindle, which is the long silver part that's like a cube shape, which goes through your new latch into the other handle, and then screw your other handle on with your 4 screws that you took out. you've successfully installed your new latch, you just want to test it. Open and shut it. Open and shut the handle. Just make sure it's engaging okay, and then open and shut your door, and then make sure it catches onto the keep. That, people, is how you install your new latch onto your internal door. So if you have any issues or any problems, feel free to comment below. If you found that the video was useful and you liked it, feel free to like and share it. It's happy days, and enjoy your new internal latch. Wait for the next tutorial. Peace out.